What's up guys, Marcos here, and today we have a great video coming up with not all of them, but you got the black iPhone XR, red iPhone XR, and the silver iPhone XR. And this is my brother, Matthew.
What's up guys?
And we're going to be unboxing all three of these today and giving you our opinions on them, first impressions. So let's get into it. Now for a brief overview of all these phones, this is my phone. It's a 128 gigabyte iPhone XR, black. Matthew.
This is my phone, 64 gigabyte product red phone.
And this one is the 64 gigabyte silver iPhone XR. So we're gonna unbox these right now.
Really excited. Alright, so this is Matthew, and I'm going to be unboxing the product red iPhone XR. Here we go. I'm really excited. Wow.
That got the plastic off. Yeah, do it nice. So move it over a bit. Yeah, look at this.
See.
That beautiful red inside just.
Do I need this? Nope. And here's the phone. Oh my god. Oh, look at this beauty. Oh, so satisfying. Wow. Turning on.
And look at the back of this phone too.
Smudge already.
So yeah, get all the smudges on it. But amazing. Look at that. It's turning on right now. Bro,
I was checking earlier, and the screen is bigger than the actual phone, the actual 6S.
iPhone 6S. Look, that says hello.
Hello.
But for now, put this to the side.
Now let's get into the headphones.
And look at all this other stuff that you probably
accessories.
don't care about.
Let's just open that up real quick.
Alright. You don't
Got
care
the
about
block.
that. Got the block.
You already know what that does.
The charger.
The charger.
You don't care about that.
Alright, so let's go.
Alright, so you can move all this stuff out of the way. Now solo, just phone. That.
Swipe up to open.
Swipe up, choose your language.
English.
You guys already know how this goes,
Yep.
so I'm gonna let Matthew set up his phone and we're gonna get into the next one. Alright.
Alright.
Alright guys, now it's my turn. So I got my black iPhone XR right here. 128 gigabytes, yeah, big boy storage. And let's get into it. I know you guys like to hear this, so I'm gonna put this close to the mic real quick. And we don't need this anymore, yeet this. And slowly open the phone. Boom, look at that. Put this to the side for now. You got that designed by Apple in California, you know, hello, you got your pamphlets. Whatever, tells you how to use the phone. You got your SIM ejector tool, which is nice and shiny. I have a really dirty one, but hey. So got that, and you got your Apple stickers, of course. Who doesn't love Apple stickers? So let's put this back for now, and let's get to the real deal, the iPhone. If I could put this back. Come on. Oh man, this takes too long. All right. Put this, now we got the real deal. So pull this up nicely, and boom, look at that. Oh, it feels so nice. And here you go, guys. While put that to turn on, this, come on, yeah. Slowly you gotta, that feels so satisfying, just taking off the plastic. Man, So I will put this over here for now. And while we look at the other accessories, we got the ear pods, not AirPods, ear pods, the wired ones. And if you go inside, it just has the wired and the cable, because you know the headphone jack was removed a while ago. We'll put that over here for now. You got your 5-watt block. Put this back in here, and you got your cable. Who doesn't love an Apple cable, right? So we'll put that there. Don't really care about this stuff right now. I'm gonna put that to the side, and let's go set up the phone. There's hello, swipe up to open. English, yes, New York, baby. Set up manually, and yeah, that's it for this one. And on the last phone, I guess we'll show you the setup in a bit after I unbox the last phone. Alrighty. So here I let Matthew unbox the last one, but this is a 64GB silver iPhone XR, just like the red one. So first take off the packaging, the plastic, remove the cover. Look at that, boom.
Marcos already went over this stuff.
Yeah, I already went over all this, so don't need that. Apple stickers, and
Look
you
at
got
that.
the silver one. Turn it around, nice white silver.
White.
Silver borders with a white back, looks nice. Look at how. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Look at that text messages on the new phones. Look at that. It's like a mirror finish on the Apple logo on the back. It's probably with all the phones, but I just realized. And while this is turning on, actually you guys don't care about the rest of this, right?
Let's take off that.
We already saw that 2 times already.
Oh baby! Oh my God!
Yeah, this.
Look at that. Hello.
Hello.
English. United States.
Alright, don't leave that.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's it. And alright guys, here are all the phones side by side, since there's 3 of them. And the fronts all look the same pretty much besides the border. All black screen. Same LCD screen. Liquid Retina LCD. That's what Apple's calling it. And here are the backs for you. They all look really nice. All glass backs, support wireless charging. And here, we got the white one, black one, red one. They all look really nice. The iPhone, all the same except for the color. And yeah. On this phone, I'll just show you, for example, you got the power button here on the right side. Got the SIM card slot tray on the right side. Hopefully it's not blurry. You got the screen on the front, obviously. You got the mute switch on the side and the volume up, volume down button. And on the top there's nothing. On the back just camera and the flash. And on the bottom you have the 2 speakers and the lightning connector. And that's pretty much it for these phones. All the other ones are the same. Just different colors, like I said. And yeah. Alright, let's set up one of these phones. Alright, let's set up my phone, since it's my phone. And first you're greeted with this hello screen. You swipe up, usually it'll take you through, you pick your language, English, United States. You could quick start, you can have an iPhone, your old iPhone that runs iOS 11 or later, and you can automatically have it like quick start, bring all your stuff over, but I want to set this phone up manually, so we'll press set up manually. We'll choose a Wi-Fi connection. We'll choose our Wi-Fi. We'll do this off camera. No idea why I memorized the Wi-Fi password. It's like a whole ton of random letters and stuff. So while that's connecting, you wait. And then it says, activate your phone. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, data and privacy. Continue. All right, so here you set up Face ID, right? And basically what you do is, you, like it says, First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Now I'm gonna do that really quick off camera. Face ID is now set up. Continue. Then you create a password, which I'm also gonna do off camera. And you can choose password that are 4 numbers long, 6 numbers long, or letter passcode. And here it just says you could restore from iCloud backup, iTunes backup, set up as a new phone, or move some of your data from if you had an Android phone as your last phone. So I'm gonna set this up as a new phone. Apple ID, almost everyone that has an iPhone has one of these. And once you do that, it'll give you the terms and conditions, which I totally read and just press agree, because nobody's gonna sit there reading that for that long. It takes a few minutes to set up your Apple ID, blah, blah, blah. Yep, continue. Keep your phone up to date. Continue, yeah. It's loading right now. The little buffer thing up there. Just wow. Apple Pay, nope. Set up later. It gives you all these options that you can choose from. iCloud keychain, I won't do that yet. Then here, you can do the Hey Siri feature. It says, Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me. As you can see, it's very repetitive, but that's how Siri gets to recognize your voice, and no one else is able to open your phone unless they sound like exactly like you, or like a twin or whatever, is gonna be able to activate your Siri to like troll you if you're using your phone. Someone be like, hey Siri, and your Siri pops up, which is annoying, but it won't happen because it only recognizes your voice. Right? Screen time, yeah, I'll do that. See, I like to help app developers and whatnot, so I usually agree with this, but you could always change it later in your settings, I believe. True Tone display. Now this is a cool one. Now the screen looks normal. Probably, I don't know if I could capture this on camera, but it looks normal right now. But once I do this, tap it, boom, it turns bluish. And that's what the screen would really look like, but the True Tone display gives it a yellow hue so it doesn't hurt your eyes as much, which is really cool. And then here it just asks you for display zoom. Choose a view, I always choose standard. The zoomed one doesn't even zoom in that much, it zooms in a little bit. But I always choose standard. Next. Then it tells you all the different features. Go home, swipe up, switch between recent apps, swipe up like that and hold. Release to show you quickly access controls in the top. And boom, look at that. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up. Look at that. iPhone XR for you. So I guess that's it for this large unboxing of 3 iPhone XRs. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and setup, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.